Hi guys, hello and namaste everyone. So guys, behalf of this new moon, let's see what message new moon energy wishes to convey us. Let's see. Accept help. So guys, maybe you are in some stuck situation and from long time you are facing through it, you're going through it, and maybe you're not even accepting help even if people are telling you that they are ready to help also. So here's your message, please accept help. This is what I would say over here. Another thing that I'm sensing is that maybe for some of them, maybe during moon phases, it can be full moon, it can be no moon, new moon, your intuition is heightened a lot of things gets downloaded, you feel within you that this is there, that is there, and all everything, but maybe you're not acknowledging it, you're not accepting it. So this can be also a message for you that please accept help. Only if you accept help, this is what I see over here. Oh, I see that you are coming up to a point. This is what I see with this full moon above. So please accept help. If someone is offering you help, please do not ignore, because guys, just if you are thinking that this is my karma, this is my own dates, so I have to face it also. Even someone who is going through injustice is wrong. Just mark it very well. Someone who is doing injustice with you is wrong. But if you are someone who are just going through it without even seeking for help or anything else, then more you are more responsible than that person who is doing injustice to you, or that situation which is doing injustice for you, just because you're feeling that this is your karma, you have to go through it. And also please acknowledge it and accept the help. Let's see some more messages. Replenish. The sun will rise and we will try again. So beautiful message. So maybe the message that came, accept help, maybe for some of them it might be the thing that you had tried before, it failed, and that is when now you're not accepting help. Maybe this can be a thing for some of them, but this is your message, guys, that sun rises every day. So do not lose hopes. This is what I would say with this card, and keep on trying. Do not ignore. This is what I would say. And with this card, I feel, do not feel that you're alone. This is what I would say. Okay, so here's affirmation. I flow towards my goal. I am strongly protected as I go. So if this is not clear, I will post it on the screen, or only then, else you can read this affirmation from here. Thank you.